Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how I achieved this simple go-to hairstyle on my natural hair, and some of the things needed to achieve this hairstyle are as displayed on the screen. First and foremost, I'll be smoothing out the hair with a brush and tie it to the back with a shoelace. You can use any rope of your choice. Since I'm not using gel to achieve this hairstyle, I'm making sure that I use the shoelace to drag the hair to the back. Depending on your choice, you can drag the hair a bit lower or higher. After tying it down, then I'm using a white tooth comb to fluff it out so as to achieve the seamless look I'm going for. You can rock the hair like this. As you can see, it's beautiful, but that's not where we are going. Now I'm going to gather the hair from the back to the front and smoothing it out. I'm doing this loosely so as to achieve the volume I want. You can take your time while doing this. After smoothing it out to my desired taste, I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. If you have a very short hair that can't achieve this look, you can add all this kinky extension to the back just to achieve the volume. You can leave it this way after securing it because it's beautiful, as you can tell, but to switch things up, I'll be adding my scrunchie. You can accessorize it to your desired taste, but as for me, I'll be keeping it this simple. And yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. If you've watched me to this point, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like, and don't forget to leave a nice comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.